Alright, so today we're going to speak about what meditation actually does. As over the years, I've tried to convince many people to get onto meditation for all of its just glorious mental health benefits, but many people just don't get convinced, or they don't really understand once they do research. I've also found this myself, like when I was first getting into it or getting other people into it, nobody really explains to you in like a very stupid bro science way of like why it would actually be good for you, right? All these people just like get on their scientific high horse, they're like, oh, like it's gonna make your brain do, like, I don't understand, frankly, and I'll give you just like the no BS what meditation actually does for you and why it's beneficial, right? I really don't know why so many people overcomplicate it, but here's just like my best way to explain why meditation is good for you and why you should do it. So first of all, it only really takes like 10 minutes a day to feel much better and get nearly all of the rewards of meditation. Of course, you could do it more and you probably get even more, but there is certainly a diminishing return. You don't need to meditate like an hour a day, right? That's kind of redundant, but essentially what meditation does is it makes you less prone to temptations of your thoughts. So imagine this, you have some sort of addiction. Let's say you're addicted to your phone. Let's say you have like a smoking addiction. Let's say you're an alcoholic, right? All of these are kind of hard to drop, right? Had experience with 2 out of 3 of those. I'm not gonna tell you what it is. You can guess for yourself. But let's say you come home from a long day of school and you need to study. I, for some reason, always give this analogy. You need to study and you have your phone beside you, right? You shouldn't even be doing that, bro. If you're studying, throw your phone into the other room. I don't know what you're doing, but you're doing your work and you get a thought that you should check your phone. Most normal people will grab their phone, pick it up, check it, waste 20 minutes of productivity, right? And then get back to work. And they do this like every 10 minutes, right? Horrible for your productivity, by the way. If you don't know, watch my other video on this. I go over all of this and why you shouldn't even check your phone at all if you're trying to be productive and how to not distract yourself. But see, when you meditate, you will get the thought to check your phone and you will be more cognizant of the thought itself. This is what meditation does. It lets you process thoughts without acting on them right away. So let's say you have an addiction. Let's say you get cravings for nicotine. What meditation will help you do is to take in the feeling and not let it affect your physical body, right? You will get the thought, but you won't really get the craving. That's the best way I can describe it. If you get a thought of doing something that you know you shouldn't be doing, you'll be able to let go of that thought easier the more you meditate. You have more control over your thoughts. You are more capable of not turning your thought into action when you don't want it to. I think the other way is possible where it can help you have a thought and go right into action if you want to. So you have more control over the mind. Now this is very powerful. This will drastically improve your productivity. Not only that, your social skills, you can be more present within the moment when talking to people. Another thing that meditation does is when you're having a conversation, if you ever find that you start thinking off topic and if you forget what the other person is talking about and become distracted, meditation can help you with that. It keeps you more grounded in the moment and on the task that you're doing without thinking about other stupid things that don't really matter. Now, once again, all this takes is 10 minutes per day. If I were to restart my meditation practice, I would start with 2 minutes, then go up to 5 minutes once it feels like it's long enough, and then get up to 10 minutes gradually. Don't need to do it all at once. Just find some type of consistency that you won't break. And yeah, reap the rewards of meditation. I don't know why more people don't do this, but yeah, bro, I hope this made some sense. Subscribe to the channel if you're new. I'll see you in another video. Peace out.